Everybody, we're going to be talking about bikers. He's going to be sharing some videos with us, and let's go ahead and just start. Okay, here we go, riding around, having a good time. Oh, hit some gravel. Whoa, okay, so we got a big machine, hits the body, possible broken bones, at least bruising of your tissue at some point on a deep level. If not, we're going to move right on. We might talk about that one a little bit later. John Patrick, got out of there in a quick situation. Nice evasive maneuver. Planned his ride, located that hazard, and then navigated, because that was more of a red stage maneuver. Got out of there. So Lexa Moto, okay, line of sight problem, waiting. Oh, he would have, or whoever, this rider would have gotten demolished if they did not slow down and look. Good job. It was an impact, but it could have been deadly. Very good job. So we're riding around a blind curve. Can't see much. We went a little bit wide. Corrected ourselves. A moto rider. Here we go.
Fumaria.
Yeah. Oh! The bike crashed and fell down before impact. So what do you guys think happened? What do you think happened here? More of a slamming of the brakes, front brake? Was this a brown stage maneuver? We kind of panicked a little bit. It sucks though. Low visibility, car turning out in front of him, panic braking, too many factors involved, and caused him to crash. Hey, we're on a track right now, so this is the exact area I want you guys to be playing around in. And so you guys can get that practice there. And so it looks like we just lost traction, low-sided just a little bit. But look at the runoff. And we have EMTs on site. Great place to practice that. All right, so we're going 60-something around the turn, having a lot of fun. We have a vehicle crossing the path. And this is why I like middle. Calm it down, stay in. There you go. Did a great job. I like middle for these reasons. Oh, one sec. I missed it. I was looking at the screens right here. Panic brake. So remember, we got to do some progressive brake pressure. Here we go. We're moving through here. We're right behind the vehicle. We can see that person should not have done that, but good job planning your ride and getting yourself out of that situation. Boom. All right, so this is a good one. So we're going to have an actual crash right here. We were kind of looking at this before class started. And he's going to hurt himself. You're going to catch him guarding. This is what you call guarding. So his arm is not in a good spot. The weight of it is pulling it down because you do have weight. Your bones keep things in place. Inside of our rescue kits, we do have a sling and swath that you can put together so he doesn't have to hold it up.
Lay down.
My best guess is a broken collarbone or a dislocated shoulder in the AC joint. 10 minutes later. So remember, we have all this stuff inside of our rescue kit. YKK zippers. If you want to grab one, link is going to be in the description. Make sure you guys get something like this just in case, because it could have had something impale him. And we have tourniquets. We have everything that you need for a bleeding loss emergency.
Oh, man.
All right, so we got stale lights there. And what I like, great swerve. When I say stale, they've just been sitting there. It's an intersection. I want to go back to that one. Let's go back. So you see how like the lights don't move? And you saw like the signage, that means that there's an intersection, so we should be in orange stage. He sees it, good swerve, amazing swerve. Then he's slowing it down to check his pantalones. It's very good. So we're going up here. We have a turn coming up, I believe. No. Oh!